Hey y'all, Dustin here with Edge Fishing. I got Ethan, Jonah, and Lily with me today. We're gonna try a creek real quick. It's a little after 8 o'clock in the evening, and yeah, we are gonna see if we can get anything to bite. First of all, if you're new, I want to say welcome. If you would, go down there and click the subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy our content. Yeah, like I said, we're out here at this creek. Gonna see if anything will bite real quick. And what do you guys think?
Fish.
Fishy.
I like
Fishy in the sea.
I like fish.
Fishy in the sea.
Nice. Okay, well, the consensus is fish. Yeah, all right, we're gonna get into it. Here we go. All right, guys, we're going down to the creek. It's a little dark and spooky. Oh yeah, I should have let the kids go first. That means I'm hitting all the spider webs. Ugh. All right, guys. Today I'm gonna be using my Lew's Laser HS Speed Stick rod, 5'6", light action, with my Fluger President 20 series ultralight reel, 16th ounce jig head, and some new power bait grubs that I haven't tried yet from Berkeley. Might be a little bright colored for this clear water. I've got little things, little guys biting at it though. Oh wow, that water's cold.
It is?
Yeah, it is, but it feels good. Oh, ooh, I had a fish smack that right away right there. Fish, right there. Right there on the Berkeley grub. Got a green sunfish.
Oh, I want to see. I haven't seen fishies in a long time.
Right there.
That's like a long ear.
Nope, it's a green sunfish.
Oh. Well, I thought because of that collar on the very side of it, but it has red eyeballs.
Yep. Little green sunfish.
I want to try to find the crawdad.
Let's put him on back. There you go, buddy. Okay, so this is what I'm using, this Berkeley power bait fire tiger grub. 2-inch power grub is what it is. So that's what I wanted to try.
Daddy, a crawdad's in my shoe.
So that's what I wanted to try. Huh?
Crawdad's in my shoe.
Crawdads in Lily's shoe. Oh, mercy. You got fish? Lily's got a fish on. Oh, I've got a fish right there. Oh, there we go. What's the rock bat? No. I think we got our smallie. Right there. Right there, we got our little creek smallie. It's a smallmouth. I love these little guys. Let's put him on back. Thanks, buddy. Whoa. That's 2 species right here on the Berkeley Fire Tiger Power Grub. Oh yeah, I saw that disappear. Saw it disappear. What do we got? We got rock bass this time. Yeah, that's 3 species here already. Little rock bass that time. 3 species, all in. I've been recording for 7 minutes. Let's put this guy on back. There he goes. Not bad, not bad. I gotta see what Jonah's fish looks like.
So, Ethan said, you know what I'd like to have? And I said, what? He said, a fish. And I said, I ain't even caught one yet. And then as soon as I said that,
Nice.
he's aggressive too. He keeps trying to bite me.
Cool.
Say bye-bye to the fish.
Wait, hang on, I want to see. That's a smelly. I know it's tiny. You feel good and nice and shiny. No, come here.
There you go.
I'm gonna catch you. Oh, fish.
Got one?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a fish.
Whoa.
Nice.
We've all caught one. Jonah probably had the best one.
What you got?
Um,
Little green sunfish.
Maybe never take her.
I don't really.
I bet that
can't really
smaller
tell
was
from my
only
fish yet.
decent size. One of them.
Or just-
Decent sized fish in here. We just
Okay.
keep them little fish that keep nibbling.
Lily with the little green sunfish. Good job, Lil.
There's gonna be a lot of fireworks.
I'm gonna let it go.
What is-
Oh wow, fish right away.
Really?
Little creek chub.
Oh, he's on there. You get pretty good.
Production, double up.
Nice.
I got a tiny little pumpkin seed or something.
I got a
Oh,
little,
this is a green sunfish.
yeah, I got a little creek chub.
Oh, I just have one here. Look. Oh, that.
There we go, buddy.
Oh, son.
That's what,
This is like the fish of the
3 or 4 species? Huh. Jonah with the monster green sunfish. I got fish swimming all over the place with this thing. I don't know if you guys can see this. They are going nuts. Ooh. There we go. Ooh, it's a little smallie.
Good.
Nope, green sunfish.
My line's got super painted in there.
Little fella right there.
Oh, fish.
Oh, you got one?
Oh, geez, this one's
Ooh, Lily's got a nice one.
oh, geez.
Oh, Lil. Lily with a smallie. Sweet. Oh,
Well, whatever. At least I let it go.
oh, what Ethan just pull out?
That's small. That's a small.
What you got?
I just found one. It's in there, too.
Ethan with his smallie.
I'm small as well.
I think we've all caught smallie tonight already, right here.
Well, I'm excited.
Good job. Yeah.
Like, it's so pretty, it don't even look like a smaller.
Sweet. Right there. There he is.
Right there. That's
I think that's the one I had earlier.
the one that he had.
Oh,
Look, it
yeah.
went away. It's gone.
Oh,
I
no.
told you.
Oh, and he took my grub tail. It's floating away. Dang it.
Oh, I got a nice one too. Is this the same exact one?
I don't know.
I like these small ones.
Oh, I love smallmouth.
Is that a chub?
That is a chub.
Now I've caught one like that
That's
in
a-
the creek.
Golly. I think that's your PB Creek chub for sure.
Yeah, and I've had a PB Creek chub too.
Remember when I caught that big one?
Let's see that hog.
August and we thought it was a trout?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a nice sized creek
So
chub.
heavy it is.
There. Chunky little green sunfish. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for us. Appreciate you stopping by and giving us a watch. It's getting dark. We gotta get back to the truck. So again, thank each and every one of you, and until next time, this is Edge Fishing, and we're out.
Bye.